Hello, beautiful soul. Have you ever experienced a moment where you sensed something before it unfolded, as if you were linked to an unseen force? That's your energy field in action. We all have this capability, but only a few truly comprehend it. Until now. This energy field is the core of your being and influences every aspect of your life. Yet, many of us move through life disconnected from this powerful force. We believe that exhaustion comes from physical activity alone. But what if I told you that your real source of energy lies within, and it's something you can learn to tap into and use effectively? By the end of this video, you'll understand how to harness your energy to transform not just your mood or health, but the entire way you experience life. The energy within you isn't just something mystical or abstract. It's real, tangible, and it connects every part of your being. Think of it as an invisible field that surrounds and permeates your body. This energy flows through you constantly, and when it's balanced, you feel vibrant, focused, and full of life. But when it's blocked or misaligned, that's when you start to feel drained, overwhelmed, or stuck. Your energy field, often referred to as your aura, is deeply connected to your mental, emotional, and physical states. Just like the layers of an onion, your aura consists of several layers, each corresponding to different aspects of who you are. The innermost layer reflects your physical health, while the outermost layers represent your emotions, thoughts, and even your spiritual journey. Each layer connects to a different chakra, energy centers that influence everything from your sense of security to your ability to love and communicate. Imagine what it would feel like if you could fully understand and control this energy. You'd have the ability to transform how you feel, how you think, and how you approach the world. However, most people are not aware of the energy blockages that can develop over time. Every time you experience stress, anxiety, or hold on to unresolved emotions, you create a kind of blockage in your energy flow. It's like a dam in a river. Your energy is meant to flow freely, but these blockages stop it in its tracks. When your energy is blocked, it can manifest in many ways. You might feel constantly fatigued, stuck in negative thought patterns, or disconnected from your true self. You may even experience physical symptoms like headaches, muscle tension, or digestive problems. These blockages can go unnoticed for years, slowly draining your vitality and leaving you feeling less than your best. But once you become aware of these blockages, you can begin the process of clearing them. The good news is that there are simple, effective ways to get your energy flowing again. Clearing these blockages and restoring your energy flow starts with awareness. Begin by tuning in to how you feel throughout the day. Notice where tension gathers in your body, observe your emotional responses, and pay attention to the thoughts that run through your mind. These are all clues to where your energy might be stuck. A powerful technique to clear your energy is through your breath. Diaphragmatic breathing is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to promote energy flow. Start by finding a quiet space, sitting or lying comfortably. Inhale slowly through your nose for a count of 4, allowing your abdomen to expand. Hold your breath for a moment, and then exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. With each exhale, imagine releasing tension or negative energy as if it's leaving your body in the form of a dark mist. Visualization can also be a transformative practice. As you breathe, picture a bright, healing light surrounding your body. See this light move through areas of tension or discomfort, dissolving the blockages and bringing balance. The more vividly you imagine this, the more effective the practice becomes. Movement is another essential tool for clearing energy. Practices like yoga, tai chi, or even simple stretching help to unblock stagnant energy and promote a healthy, free-flowing state. Your physical body and energy field are closely connected, and when one is in harmony, the other follows. Your energy field is not just about your emotions or thoughts. It's deeply intertwined with your physical health. Blockages in your energy can lead to physical ailments, just as a well-balanced energy field can promote healing and vitality. Yoga, for example, is a practice that moves energy through the body while also calming the mind. Each posture is designed to open specific energy channels, known as nadis, which correspond to different areas of your body and your life. Tai Chi, often called meditation in motion, combines slow, deliberate movements with breath work to circulate energy, promoting balance and well-being. Science is beginning to catch up with what ancient wisdom traditions have known for centuries. Studies show that practices like meditation, controlled breathing, pranayama, and yoga can reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and improve immune function by enhancing the flow of energy through the body. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you allow your energy to flow freely, which in turn supports both your emotional balance and physical health. When your energy flows freely, you can start to use it to manifest the life you desire. Think about it. If energy flows where attention goes, then by focusing your energy on your goals and desires, you're creating a magnetic pull toward those outcomes. It's not just about wishful thinking, it's about aligning your energy with what you want to attract into your life. A simple daily visualization practice can help you get started. Each morning, spend a few minutes imagining yourself already living the life you desire. Feel the emotions of success, fulfillment, and joy as if they are already happening. The more you engage your senses in this visualization, the more powerful it becomes. Over time, your energy will align with these visions, and you'll start to notice opportunities and synchronicities that bring you closer to your goals. Gratitude is another key tool. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you raise your vibration, which in turn attracts more positive experiences. This practice of gratitude creates a feedback loop that amplifies your energy, making it easier to manifest what you want in life. Mastering your energy doesn't require hours of meditation or complex rituals. It's about consistent, small steps that make a big difference over time. Throughout your day, take a moment to pause and check in with yourself. How do you feel? Is your energy flowing freely, or do you feel tense or scattered? Simply becoming aware of your energy can help you make adjustments. If you feel your energy is low, take a few deep breaths or move your body. Even a short walk or a few stretches can make a big difference in unblocking stagnant energy. Pay attention to your thoughts as well. Are they positive and uplifting, or do you find yourself dwelling on negativity? Remember, your thoughts are a powerful force that shapes your energy. Incorporating these simple practices into your daily routine can lead to profound changes over time. The more you work with your energy, the more you'll notice an increase in emotional resilience, physical health, and overall well-being. Learning to use your energy is one of the most transformative practices you can engage in. By tuning into your energy, clearing blockages, and allowing it to flow freely, you'll notice a shift not only in how you feel, but in how you approach every aspect of your life. Energy mastery is about living with intention, aligning your inner self with your outer world, and creating a life filled with purpose and joy. So the next time you feel tired or stuck, remember that you have the power to change your energy. It's time to take charge of your life and embrace the energy that flows within you. What's one small step you'll take today to start using your energy more effectively? And if you want to dive deeper into ways to elevate your energy, don't miss our next video on how meditation can cleanse and empower your energy field. It's a practice that can transform everything.